Let me ask you this question. If you're just starting with your business, why would you waste your money on expensive solutions for creating landing pages and email marketing? The goal of this course is to provide you step-by-step guide so you can create your first sales pages in WordPress for free. Well, almost for free because you will have to buy your hosting and your domain name. But I will help you to choose a reliable and cheap hosting provider and domain name later on in this course. But everything else will be for free. And most importantly, you will have very fast sales pages that will grab your buyer's attention. Now, if you don't have any technical skills, this course is for you, because we will install WordPress and all necessary plugins together. And then we will add free email capture to our sales pages for unlimited email accounts so that you can retain your users on your sales page. And this is not all. We will add the free messaging app to monitor and chat with your sales page visitors. And this is super important for your visitors who are just one question away to become a buyer. And this widget will make your sales page look more professional. And if you want to create the sales pages but don't have any money upfront, we will go in step by step in using this other tool that I'm about to show you. Now, by the end of this course, you will know to choose the right web hosting and domain name for your needs, to create fast WordPress sales pages, to add SSL certificate, to test the speed of your sales pages, and several methods for speed optimization, add free email capture to your sales page, add free messaging app to monitor and chat with your sales page visitors. My name is Dejan, and in this course you will learn how to start and scale your WordPress sales pages even if you don't have technical skills, no ideas to start with, and no experience at all. Don't waste your time. Time is money. Let's get to work right now.